Every solid diagnosis starts with a testable hypothesis. Before you measure or replace anything, organize what you know about the complaint, codes, and system behavior so you can choose the right next step. Start with the system's behavior before the fault developed. Add in what the ECU can actually observe, the complaint, and any scan data or visual clues. This forms your working hypothesis, what could be wrong, and how you will prove it. A powerful diagnostic hypothesis leads to a test you can prove. For example, measure sensor voltage at the connector. You know what voltage the ECU expects. If the reading is abnormal, you eliminate possibilities and focus your next test. Your hypothesis lets you rule out whole sections logically. Instead of chasing every wire, you use results to follow a stepwise path. Each test narrows the fault, bringing you closer to what needs attention. A frequent mistake is treating scan data as final proof. Remember, the ECU can only report what it sees. Problems in wiring, grounds, or power can make data misleading. Always check scan data against direct measurements or known good signals. Another common trap is swapping parts after spotting one suspicious reading. This skips the critical hypothesis step and often leads to wasted time and money. Only replace components when your tests prove they're at fault. Here, the technician compares the seen evidence against the next test instead of repeating the same generic diagnostic reminder. Use this step to name the condition, the observed data, and the confirmation path that separates this scene from the rest of the workflow. This scene narrows the decision to one specific measurement or clue, then points to the next action that confirms or rejects the suspected fault. Build your diagnostic hypothesis from observed facts, codes, and conditions. Then design your first test to prove or disprove your theory before you replace parts or chase random wires. This approach saves time, confirms the real fault, and builds your credibility. You've just unlocked new strategies to turn clues into conclusive diagnoses. Every time, every system. Thanks for learning with STEP Diagnostics.